Hello everyone. Today we'll check out the new feature rolled out to YouTube users in countries like India, Indonesia, and Philippines, which lets you download YouTube videos offline for viewing them later when you don't have network connectivity. Uh, Using this particular feature, you can download YouTube videos on your smartphone device for offline viewing. So we'll check out how it works. So keep in mind that this particular feature is not available for all videos. It is available for at the moment select videos. So we'll check out some of the videos and see if it is available. For the moment, we'll search some videos of Indian movies. So we search for DDLJ. This is one of the uh, popular movies of 90s for Bollywood, right? Sorry, this one not. We'll go to the trailer one, right? So as you can see, a small button is there uh, at the side. Here it is, the small arrow above the subscribe button, right? So if you click that particular button, it gives you option to add video to offline, and it will gives at in this moment it gives you two settings to download, either normal version of 360p or SD version with 720p quality. As you can see, it also shows you the file size, the normal being 10 MB in file size, and the SD version is a bigger one of approximately 38 MB side. So if you just select the normal one, let's say, and click on OK, it will start downloading. Here you can say gives you a message that adding video to offline. At the moment the connection is slow, so yeah, here you can see in the notification window, here it is, this one. As you can see, the download has started. So it will download here, right? It is 8 MB file. It will take some time to download, as I am on a slow connection at the moment, right? So right, and the download goes to the offline section of the app. Here I can say this particular video is being downloaded, right? So if you go here, you will see the side bar of the YouTube app. A offline button is added at the bottom, which gives you a offline which gives you all the easy access to all the YouTube videos which you downloaded here from the YouTube for offline viewing, right? The video at the moment is downloading. You can see the videos here and the playlist here. No offline playlist, right? Apart from that, if you go to settings, you'll check see a extra option of offline being added in the YouTube app. Just click on it. Here it will give you some option like quality. You can select either 360p, 720p SD, or you can select that YouTube asks you each time before the download what quality you want to download. Apart from that, you can add an option here which lets you download those YouTube videos only when you are on Wi-Fi. Apart from that, it also shows you the internal memory which is free and the memory which is being used. Here you can see the memory used is around 3 MB at the moment, memory used by the YouTube video in offline, right? So this is it. You can play the videos after being downloaded directly from here by clicking on it, even when you do not have network connectivity, and it will play here. Basically, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you will subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.